How to create promos for Airbnb. Come here and just click on calendar. Okay. And now I can see my whole calendar. And if I want, I can also switch for whatever listing I want. For example, let this load up here. As you can see, I have some settings going on for the pricing for this specific day. But if I want, I can switch over to the other apartment and go ahead and click on apply. But for example, for this day, I want to go ahead and add a discount. I can go ahead and set a promo for, weekly. If someone books for a whole week, I give them a 10%, monthly 20%. You can go ahead and edit this as well, right? It's completely editable. For example, if I do 15%, or you can click on save. The higher the discount, the more people you can attract. You can also do a promotions like a new listing promotion, right? For the next 3 bookings, you can go ahead and apply this as well. As you can see, it has now been applied. It will be for £80 until you get those 3 bookings. So this is currently active until 3 people go ahead and get this, right? And it's really that easy and simple.